One of the things that people sometimes find most unfamiliar about innovation, as opposed to simply change, is how much of the value comes from the early stages of the process. For familiar change, where solutions are well known, these first stages are often skipped over. But here's an example of a framework that can enhance innovation capability. The aim is to avoid jumping straight to solution. There are 5 phases to this process. Identify, where we look at what area requires change, gather insight, understand problems and opportunities, to describe them clearly and establish scope. The ideas phase is where we get creative and come up with a wide range of solutions. No judgment is used here, so it's a safe place for unusual thinking. Watch out for the trap of the first reasonable solution. It's important to generate lots of options, as there's no reason to assume that the first ideas we have are the best that we could have. In the investigate phase, we'll assess ideas for value, issues, risks, and do any research necessary, so that we can prioritise them and select some to take further. To the improve phase, where we'll tweak and develop ideas to mitigate risk, avoid issues, enhance value, and develop deliverability. This is where we start prototyping and testing. It's only in the final phase, implement, that we actually make the full plan and go on to deliver change by prioritising elements of the solution, planning how to deliver and communicate the change, executing the plan, and measuring the difference we make. In summary, look at where the ideas are selected in the 3rd phase. There's plenty of work to do before we choose a solution. By focusing effort on the earlier phases, we can fail fast in the cheaper front end of innovation. This means that we can learn more before we get closer to the expensive implementation phase. Solutions that do make it to delivery will be stronger, more creative, and more likely to succeed.